In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group pages in OneNote. If you want to keep your notes more organized and easier to navigate, grouping pages in OneNote is a simple feature that can make a big difference. This is especially helpful when you have several related notes and you want them to stay neatly tucked under a main topic instead of appearing as a long, cluttered list. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're inside the notebook and section where the page you want to organize is located. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place can save time, especially if you manage multiple notebooks for different projects, classes, or work topics. Once your notebook is open, look over to your list of pages. These page tabs are where OneNote displays the notes inside the current section. Find the page that you want to group underneath another page. In OneNote, grouping pages is done by turning a regular page into a subpage, which nests it under a parent page. This creates a cleaner structure and makes related content easier to find later. Now, right-click the page tab you want to group. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Make Subpage. As soon as you do that, the page will shift slightly to the right, showing that it is now grouped under the page above it. That indentation is the visual cue that your page has become a subpage. This is a useful way to organize notes by category, meeting topic, lesson, or project phase. For example, you might keep a main page as the broad subject and then place supporting pages underneath it as subpages. That way, your notebook feels more structured and much easier to scan. If you're arranging several related notes, it can help to make sure the subpage is positioned below the page you want to use as the main heading before you apply the grouping. Since OneNote places the subpage under the page above it, the order of your pages matters. And that's it. Once you use Make Subpage, your page is grouped and your notebook becomes more organized with just a couple of clicks. It's a quick feature, but it can really improve the way you manage information in OneNote, especially as your notes grow over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.